One night you wake up, you look out your window, that familiar silver glow is gone. The sky is an empty void. The moon has vanished. No explosion, no warning, it's just gone. But what happens at that exact moment? Do the oceans fall silent? Does the earth begin to wobble? Do animals lose their minds? And most importantly, could we survive? Today, we will find out the answer second by second, step by step. Take a deep breath, because a world without the moon is not the world we know. The first thing you'll notice is the darkness. Without moonlight, nights become pitch black. Even city lights won't be enough. In the countryside, you won't even be able to see your own fingers. But the real shock comes the moment you look up and ask, "Where is the moon?" An instinctive fear will settle in, because for millions of years, our only protector, which was there every single night, is suddenly gone. The oceans will almost come to a standstill. The moon's massive gravitational pull used to lift and lower the seas twice a day. Without that power, tides will shrink by 40%, coastlines will grow silent, waves will become tiny ripples, coastal ecosystems, corals, marine life, they will all lose their nutrient cycles. Within weeks, thousands of species will begin to disappear. In some places, as the water mass becomes unstable, massive tsunamis will batter the shores, and then an eternal stillness will begin. This is the most terrifying part. The moon acted as a counterweight, stabilizing Earth's 23.5-degree axial tilt. Without it, our planet will slowly begin to wobble. Within decades, seasons as we know them will cease to exist. Some regions will freeze in an endless winter for months, while others burn under the sun for an eternity. The polar regions could shift to the equator. Earth will spin through the cosmos like a top that has lost its balance. Nature will go blind. Many creatures use the moon as a compass. Migratory birds will lose their way and fall into the middle of the ocean. Sea turtles will never find the right beach to lay their eggs. Nocturnal predators, owls, wolves, will become unable to hunt. Once the balance between predator and prey is broken, thousands of generations will be wiped out. In a world without moonlight, night means death. What about us? How long would humanity last? In the short term, fishing and coastal trade will collapse. In the medium term, the agricultural calendar will be ruined. We won't know when to plant or when to harvest. Food crises, megastorms, and floods will shake civilization. As habitable zones constantly shift, billions of people will be forced to migrate. Humanity might survive somehow, but the modern civilization we built would be gone forever. The moon was never just a romantic celestial body. It was our silent guardian, our counterweight, our compass. Without it, Earth keeps spinning, but that world is no longer our home. Now, it's your turn. Do you think we could survive with technology alone, or would this be the end of humanity? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Drift. Keep looking at the sky, maybe it's still there. See you in the next video.